Good morning, gang. It is Friday, January 31st, 8:30 a.m. Happy trading to everybody, guys. It's a beautiful day here in Texas on a Friday. The sun is out. For those who don't know, I'm a paper money trader doing paper money options, focusing on Nvidia only. We focus here on the open and break and retest pattern. Market just opened up. What we are looking for today is we are going to let the first 5 candles develop. This is a 1-minute chart, and if that pattern forms this morning, we are looking for 2 areas to take profit. Yesterday's high for Nvidia was 125, so if we have upward momentum, we're looking to at least possibly go up to 125 or see money take, see money or see profit take profit, or it could go down to 118 or as low as 118.10. Those are the 2 highs and lows that we're looking for as far as profit is concerned. And let's see, we got the first candle form. Second candle is working, guys. New format, guys. I think this is going to work better for me. What I had been doing in the past, for those who check in on me, is that I would start the video as soon as the pattern would hit. And I found out that during my intro, talking to you guys, that I was losing momentum and losing profit. By the time I finished talking to you guys, I was out of the money. And so I figured just go ahead and start it. And this is easier for me too, less stress. So I could walk through this with you guys and let things develop. So we got 3 candles getting ready to form. We're looking for 5. And basically with the open and break and retest pattern, you are working with the first 5 candles. You are looking for the high and low of the first 5 candles, and that's where you set your trend lines. You set your trend line on the high of the first 5, trend line on the low of the first 5, and then from there you're looking for a breakthrough either on the upward or the lower and a retest or resistance of that trend line, and that will let us know if we can jump into a call or a put. So hope you guys are feeling my music. I didn't think about it until last night that I wonder how people are taking the music that I play. It sounds good to me when I'm doing a video, but it is the morning time, so it might be a little too much in the morning with hip hop beats. So I'm choosing a little. I don't know if you can even hear the jazz music in the background, but anyways, let me stop talking. So we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, looking for 5. I might go ahead and mark this second candle since it's going down as the high. So the second candle high is 124.74. So I'm going to go ahead and mark it because I believe probably we'll be fine with marking this. And if not, I'll delete it and change it. So I'm believing. And this is just me moving ahead. That's all. Not being patient. And just marking this candle and believing that this is going to be the high of the first 4, or first 5 candles. I'm sorry. So here's our 8:30 candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're waiting for this 5th candle to form. And this doesn't mean that the pattern is going to hit in the first 15 to 30 minutes. I've had that excuse me, opportunity of that happening. But however, it's a possibility that it can hit later down sometime today. And if that's the case, then I'll probably do a nightlight video showing you the results of that. So we'll just see. Right? It's okay. It's all good. We're learning. Yes, if you're new here, I'm a beginner trader. Guys, go back and look at my last year was the first year I actually held myself accountable of learning how to do option trades. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna go ahead and mark our low. So the fourth candle was our low at 123.35. 123.35 is here. We have it marked. All right, so we are ready, guys. Now we have our high marked for the first 5 candles, and we have our low marked. So now we are looking for either a breakthrough of the high or a breakthrough of the low. And what I mean by breakthrough is that we want that candle to break through here, and then we want a retest so that we can go back, follow, put down, and then it's vice versa on the high, upward, or the high. You know, we want to break through of this trend line, and then we want it to come back down and retest so that we can jump into a call. So patience, 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 guys. Man, I've been a little shaken the past couple of, well, actually since yesterday, man, about the flight, American Eagle flight that went down. Was it the other day or other night? Oh, here's our breakthrough, man. Condolences goes to all the families that had to go through that. It's sad, man. Just neighborhood, that's a whole tragedy. The heart goes out to the families that are dealing with that. Okay, so we did get our break. We have a breakthrough here at our 8:36 a.m. candle. Okay, that's good. We had the breakthrough, but looks like we're not going to get a retest on that. That's okay. Let's see what happens. Come on, this candle. Okay, here's another breakthrough. Now you guys see what I mean by a breakthrough. This candle broke through, this 8:37 a.m. candle broke through that trend line. You know, we would love for it to go down more to give us a clear displacement from the trend line, but we can take that, but we just need our next candle to be a retest. So the last day of trading, guys, let's see if we could finish on a good note. Well, now it's going back up. That's all good. We're not panicking. We're not jumping in, man. Back in the day, when I was just new to this, man, I would just like it started this morning, like on this 8:30 or like this 8:31 candle. If I would have seen momentum like that, I would have jumped into an option blindly, man. No strategy at all. Luck, honestly. Trying to actually last year when I began this journey, man, I started out doing that. No strategy at all. I want to give shout out to J-Dub Trades. You can follow him on YouTube. He is the young man that man has shared this gem, man, this nugget of this strategy, man, and he preaches it, man. And a lot of dudes don't share techniques like this unless you join some, you know, class or something like that, where you're paying out money. He gave it free. Man, bless that young man, because he's changed my life. He has changed my life, and so very excited about that. Let's see. Not getting that breakthrough, and that's okay. That's okay. And another thing too, guys, every day is not a trade day. And that's okay too. Just have to learn how to be disciplined and say, okay, hey, it didn't hit, and that's fine. Another thing that I do too, when it's like this, I'll go to my phone and I will go ahead and set up some notifications Now, since I have Robinhood on my phone and I got used to using their notifications, I'll use Robinhood and I'll go to Nvidia and I'll go ahead and say that, okay, this is my, what was this? 124.74. So I'll go and set a notification to let me know when Nvidia goes above 124.74, and I'll get that alert on my phone to let me know. And that way, if I step away for whatever reason, I'll know to come back because that pattern is possibly going to form. And I'll go ahead and set one for 123.35 since that's our low. So 123.35, 23.35. Okay. I'm not gonna hold you guys long. Try not to. But the pattern has not formed. Okay, we got some upward momentum. Let's see what happens. All right. So do you see my alert just went off on my phone because we had a breakthrough of that high of 124.73. I would love for it to go higher a little bit. There we go. That's good. I like that push. There we go. Push. That's great. Yes, that's what we want to see. Now, let this be our retest. So we're looking for this 8:42 a.m. candle to retest. Look at that. Oh, it broke through. It broke through. So last year, I would be impatient and I would still count this as a retest, and it would end up biting me. See now it's going back down, or it broke through the other way, so that doesn't count as a retest. But you see what I'm talking about here. We had that breakthrough 8:41 a.m. and we needed this 8:42 candle to retest, and it did not happen. So anyway, guys, for the sake of time, I will probably go ahead and end this video. And if anything else happens today, I will make sure that I do a nightlight video to post the results. Hope you guys have a great Friday. Hope you guys do something this weekend and enjoy yourself, enjoy your life. And we'll do this all again come Monday. Take care.